Are you a parent looking to channelize the creativity of your child? Your wait for the best learning platform ends today. We introduce you to Kaabil Kids, founded by Sunil Raina, an alumnus of INSEAD Business School, an initiative to make our kids Kaabil. Our vision is to empower kids with the 21st century life skills to make them future ready. We focus on key life skills like critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, communication, and decision making. Our main offerings are chess, coding, and artificial intelligence. There are many learning institutes, isn't it? But why Kaabil Kids? Innovative pedagogy to instill creativity. Experienced trainers who are domain experts and also understand child behavior. Cutting-edge tools and technology to measure performance. Kids from different countries learn from us and have demonstrated learnings to solve real-life challenges. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Find us at kaabilkids.com.